Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and heading straight to Display to change the navigation bar. This is where Xiaomi keeps the option. Once there, tap Navigation bar and confirm the phone is unlocked and on-screen controls are visible. You need to know whether you currently use gestures, 3-button, or a virtual invisible bar so you can switch cleanly. Make sure any active screen recorder or overlay apps are closed, because they can block changes. Now select the Visible Controls option to proceed to customization. Once in the navigation bar menu, choose the mode you want. Buttons if you prefer physical style controls or gestures for edge swipes. After selecting buttons, use Layout to reorder back, Home, Recent, change sensitivity if taps feel sluggish. If you pick gestures, enable the gesture handle and practice the swipe areas shown. Make changes, then press Apply or simply exit. Changes take effect instantly. If there are extra options like hide pill or labels, toggle them to streamline the look you want. Finish by testing each navigation action thoroughly. Press Home, open Recent, and use back or gesture swipes to ensure responsiveness. If something doesn't work, reboot the phone first. That clears transient conflicts. If problems continue, check for overlay apps, screen recorders, third-party launchers, and disable them, then reselect the navigation mode. As a last step, restore default navigation in Settings to reset layouts. This single troubleshooting tip resolves almost all issues caused by conflicts or cached UI states.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.